Welcome to the Hitachi ID Systems demo series featuring Hitachi ID Bravura Pass. This video will illustrate various tasks that can be accomplished by a global help desk analyst, including password reset, account unlock, user profile unlock, profile disable or enable, and reviewing operation history, system-generated emails, and ITSM tickets. Note that help desk rights can be limited to a defined scope of users. Despite easy-to-use password reset options for users to help themselves, often they will continue to call the help desk since that is what they've always done. Analysts need an easy-to-use module to assist users. In addition, some tasks can only be performed by a help desk analyst, such as enabling or disabling a user's profile. Using Hitachi ID Bravura Pass, analysts can quickly find the user's profile, authenticate the user, assist them, notify them, and ultimately log the event in an IT service management workflow. This minimizes associated support costs. In this demo, we will use Claire as the global help desk analyst and Morris as the user needing assistance. We'll start with an assisted password reset. To begin, open the Hitachi ID Bravura Identity Pass and Group instance by clicking Demo. Expand the help desk role and click Claire Bartlett. Select Bypass Authentication for demo purposes only. From the Other Users menu, select Help Users. Search for Morris Lynch. You can just type MORR and press Enter to see a list of partial matches. Select his name from the list. Answer the two challenge questions using 1, 2, 3, 4, or skip authentication as I will do here. Note the status display showing Morris's last password change. Select the corporate system's target system group. Enter and confirm a new password for Morris. For example, 5-star hotels, plural. Password rules are evaluated dynamically, turning from red to green as the rules are satisfied. Note that analysts can change and expire passwords to force the user to change their password the next time they log in. I'll click Change Passwords. You can see that most passwords have successfully been changed. Any failed resets are queued and retried automatically. If a user gets locked out of a target system account, such as Active Directory, the analyst can unlock it without affecting the password value. Click the Unlock Accounts tab. Select a target system account. I'll use Corporate AD. And click Unlock. Here, we can see that the account was successfully unlocked. If a user gets locked out of their Bravura Pass profile due to too many failed login attempts, the analyst can quickly enable their account. Here is an example error message received by a user. Click the Profile Status tab. We can see here that the user is locked out. Click Unlock User Profile. The user's profile is now unlocked. Should an analyst need to disable a user's profile for any reason, such as a recent termination, follow these steps. Again, from the Profile Status tab. First, confirm that you are viewing the correct user. In the Reason for Disable field, enter a reason if required, and click Disable User Profile. The message here shows that the user has been disabled. To later enable the user, the analyst can simply return to the same tab and click Enable User Profile. Again, the action is confirmed. To view a historical record of all operations performed on a user's account, the analyst can click on the Operation History tab. Here, the analyst will find a date and time-stamped list of records including the description, requester, results, and more. The analyst can search, sort, or scroll to locate a specific record. System events that are configured to generate an email message, for example password resets, can be viewed using Thunderbird. Open the Thunderbird email application from the desktop here. From the Postmaster inbox, select the confirmation message sent to Morris Lynch. We can see that his passwords were successfully reset by Claire. Many organizations integrate their ITSM environment, for example ServiceNow, to have incidents automatically created when specific actions such as disable a user occur. From an RDP session to the demo host desktop, open the Chrome browser and navigate to the ITSM environment as I've done here. I'll use ServiceNow in this example. Here we can see the ServiceNow tickets that were created in a closed or new state for the password reset and disable-enable profile tasks. This concludes our demonstration of Global Help Desk assisted actions using Hitachi ID Bravura Pass. Thanks for tuning in. Hitachi ID offers a range of demonstration and training options. Click to watch more demo videos or to register for training. Visit our website to learn more.